climb inside the 2013 Infiniti M37. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.